Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on Global Prime. And for this, I will give you an example right here on the Ethereum chart. So what we're going to do right here is we click on new order and then we fill in right here the volume that we want to buy. So 1 Ethereum to US dollar is fine for me. And then right now what we're going to do is click here on the plus icon and now we can throw this line to where we want it. So let's say if he will hit the $1,884, he will close our position and will stop our losses. But what you also can do right here is just fill in like 1700. And then right now, if we a little bit scroll out, you see right here that the line is standing on 1700. So this is the way how you can create your stop loss. And now if you click here on buy by market, you see here our position on Ethereum. And then at SL, that means stop loss, you will see here that at 1700, he will close our trade and will stop our losses. So this is how you can stop loss on Global Prime. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.